Welcome to IntoAEC. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to track, manage, and automate your questionnaire reports, all in just a few easy steps. To begin, navigate to the Reports section from the main menu. Then, select Questionnaire Report to open your questionnaire tracking dashboard. You can quickly refine your search using filters. Select a project name and choose a sent on date or date range. Click Apply to see filtered results, or Clear to reset and view all questionnaires. At the top of the screen, you'll find the dashboard metrics. The total questionnaires sent metric shows you how many questionnaires have been dispatched from the system. Below the dashboard, the detailed table provides a full view of all questionnaires. Here, you can see the project name, questionnaire name, status updates like responded or viewed, sender details, the sent and viewed dates, how many times the questionnaire was resent, and the total number of questions included. Need to manage multiple questionnaires at once? Simply select the checkboxes next to the records you want. Then click Export to download the selected questionnaire data into an Excel file for easy offline access or further analysis. To automate your reporting, click the Configure Report Automation icon. In the pop-up window, choose the recipients from the Send To dropdown. Select how often you want the report sent, daily, weekly, or monthly. Set your preferred start date and time for automation to begin. Once ready, click Save to activate automation or Cancel to discard changes. And that's it. You're now ready to fully manage and automate questionnaire reports with IntoAEC. For more tutorials, visit our Help Center, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.